Hello and welcome back. In today's lesson, we shall be looking at the mode. The mode is the last bit of topic 7 of the NCC Foundation Maths course. When we were in primary school, we were taught how to find the mode for a simple data set like this one right here, just by observation. You can have a look at it and see which number is occurring more frequently. And of course, the mode stands for the most frequent. Yeah, the mode stands for the most frequent. So to find the mode for a simple data set like this one, we just had to look for the one that occurred the most frequently. So of course, I can see here that there's 24 here, 24 here, and 24 here, which means the mode is 24 for this data set. And of course, if you have a frequency table like this one, you can definitely spot the mode right there by observation. You can see that 15 is the one that is most frequent. This is just a data that maybe came from throwing the dice. Okay, how many times do you get 1? How many times do you get 2? And you can see that 2 is occurring most frequently from this data here. So for a group frequency table, for a frequency table, we can still get the mode just by observation. Now, let's say we have a grouped frequency table like this one right here. Then, yes, we can still spot the mode to be 15, but this time we're talking about the modal class, okay? We're talking about the modal class, which means there's quite a bit of information, there's quite a bit of data in there between 30 and 40. There's a class limit, there's a lot of data in there between 30 and 40. So we can't say exactly which one of them is the actual mode, yeah? But using this formula right here, we can actually find the mode from within that modal class. Yeah, so this is the modal class, this is the modal class, because we're talking about group data, and then this is the modal class, and we can find the mode within this modal class using this formula right here. Now with this formula, the mode is equal to L plus Fm minus Fb over 2 times Fm minus Fb minus Fn, all in a bracket, times C, where L represents the lower limit of the modal class, Fm represents the frequency of the modal class, Fb represents the frequency of the class preceding the modal class, the one before it, and Fn represents the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class, which is the one after it, and then C represents the class width. Let's have a look at the example that we were looking at before. So with this example, we found the modal class to be 30 is less than or equal to W is less than 40, which means L, which is the lower limit of the modal class, L would be equal to 30, and Fm, which is the frequency of the modal class, Fm would be equal to 15, and Fb, which is the frequency of the class preceding the one before it, preceding the modal class, would be equal to Fb would be equal to 7, and Fn, which is the class succeeding the modal class, would be 8, and then C is just equal to 10, because 40 subtract 30 would be equal to 10. Now let's put that all into the formula and see what we get. Okay, so we got the mode, we got all the information that we need. Let's just do some substitution now and put that into our calculator and get the answer. Our mode then would be equal to L is 30 plus Fm is 15, so 15, minus Fb is 7 over 2 times Fm is 15, 2 times 15 is 30, minus Fb is 7, minus Fn is 8, times C is 10. So if we put all that into our calculator, yeah, that's definitely going to give us 35 0.3, which sits nicely inside of the modal class. So that's how we work it out, yeah? So you need to play around with this substitution and put it in your calculator and see whether you get that answer, and make sure that it all works for you very well, because that's what you're going to have in your assessments and in your test if mode comes up. Thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.